So we are going to start where we left off last time, the stroke order. So when you write a stroke, there are basic three rules that you can just follow. So always left to right, top to bottom, and counterclockwise. So when you write the first letter R sound, as a one stroke, you write the long vertical stroke, and then you add the short stroke on the right side. Ah, 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 ah. Second one, you start with the left to right, the short stroke, and you add vertical stroke. One, two. And the O sound, top to bottom, you draw a short stroke, and then you add the long horizontal stroke. And the U sound, top to bottom, so you draw the long horizontal stroke and you add a short stroke underneath. And then U, E, and these are all are double vowel that we are going to review next time. Okay, and briefly I just want to talk about vowel harmony, bright vowel and dark vowel. So interesting things about Korean vowels are the philosophy which existed at that time. The philosophy yin and yang was also reflected in the invention of the vowel letters. So the vowel sounds with a short stroke on the right or above a long stroke as are called bright vowel. So these are example of bright vowel. R sound, O sound are bright vowel, whereas the vowels with a short stroke on the left side, like O sound, or below long stroke, like U sound, are called dark vowels. So these are examples of dark vowels. And these two U sound, E sounds are the so-called neutral vowels. So why it's important? Because when you are introduced into like a conjugation, when you create a syllables, so always you have to observe the rule of vowel harmony rule, which is bright vowel or dark vowels are not combined in a single syllable lock in making a diphthongs vowel harmony. So bright vowels always combine bright vowel, dark vowels. And I'm going to talk about a little more later. Okay, a zero consonant, this open circle. When you create a syllable, there should be always one consonant will usually occur in the initial position and one vowel in medial position, with one consonant optional, the final position. That's an optional. So if a syllable does not have any initial consonant, the syllable block must have the letter, this open circle, this like circle in the initial consonant position. And this open circle is silent, it doesn't have any sound quality, and function as a zero consonant in the initial position of a syllable blocks. So just an empty filler. So here's example. So what is this? This is the letter R sound. So here, this is just a letter R and O. How do you create a syllable? These are not syllable. You have to add this kind of open circle here, like this, and this considered as a syllable. So in terms of the pronunciation, whether you write ah and ah, it doesn't have any difference. However, the difference is the first one is considered as more like a letter, and the second one is syllable. So when you create a syllable, you have to always consider that. You have to keep that in mind that some kind of consonant occurs at the initial position. Here, because it doesn't have a consonant, you just add open circle to create a syllable. And I and O. These two are identical in terms of pronunciation. Okay. Okay. Now that I have introduced all the simple vowels, let's just practice. 자, let's think about how to pronounce this. It's ah, 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 ah. Open your mouth. It's pronounced at the front of your mouth. Ah, ah, ah. This is pronounced oh, 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 oh. Back of your mouth, your lip is not protruding. It's oval shape. Oh, oh. And this is e, 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 e. When you say like eat something, but it's shorter than eat. U, u. your jaw is a little bit lifted. It's the height of your tongue is more like a lifted. Ooh, ooh, make your lip round. Ooh, as if you're saying boo, ooh, ooh. And the first one is make your lip flat. Uh, And the second, e. 자, these two are identical. 에, 에, There's no difference between these two. One more time. It's your turn. I want you to pronounce this. 아, 아, 어, 어, 이, 우, 우, 으, 이, 으, 이, 에, 에, 에. Okay. 자, this time, listening practice. Listen carefully and choose the correct sounds or word as you hear. 아, 아. The correct answer is A. 아. 이. Which one is correct? The correct answer is B. 이. 어. The correct answer is A. 어. 에. The correct answer is number A. 우. Okay, the correct answer is A. 우. Okay, that's all.